What's up guys, Thermador owner and linguini lunatic Allan here, and today we are inducing flavors from pasta like you've never seen before. We're making Cacio e Pepe, which is a fancy way of saying cheesy spaghetti with pepper on it, and we're gonna do it all on this 36-inch Thermador Induction Range. A slick, modern miracle that's sure to dazzle and bewilder your guests. Pasta makes perfect, let's get cooking. Now, if you've never used an induction range before, you're gonna love this. It boils water pretty much instantly. So fast, in fact, that you won't have time to get wine drunk before you start cooking. So plan accordingly. Pro tip, if I need to move my pot to make more space, MoveMode automatically follows the action. Now, I know it seems crazy adding dry pasta to a dry pan. We're gonna add the water to the pasta, just like you do risotto. And that means that the starch that you would typically dump down the drain is staying right here in the pan. I know it seems crazy, but trust me, I stole this recipe from my friend, Bill Risotto, and he invented risotto. One thing about this method is there's a lot of stirring, but that's okay because one of my top 3 favorite things is stirring. The other 2 are hang gliding and indoor soccer. And now we Cacio. This is the ASMR portion of the recipe, so turn it up and drop in, but be cool. You know what I'm loving about this? The smell. Ooh, that smell. That smell that surrounds you. That's for my fellow freebirds out there. And now, to complete the dish, make sure to add a tremendous amount of Pepe to your Cacio. Otherwise, it's just Cacio and noodles. So the Cacio is pepe'd and the pan is jetted. So we're gonna plate this up. So the Cacio is pepe'd and the pan is jetted. So the Cacio is pepe'd, the pan is jetted. We're gonna plate this up and eat some dinner. Well, there you have it, Cacio e Pepe like the pros make it. And whether you're a beef bro or a veg head, you're gonna love this dish. And since we did it on induction and saved on cook time and prep time, that leaves more time for wine time. Happy cooking!